Okay. G'day guys, I'm here to talk about the Canopy on the 79 dual cab. It is for sale, so I thought, other than just pictures, why don't I just walk and talk, do my best to tell you exactly what it is. It is a NORWELD Deluxe Canopy plus Deluxe tray, so the whole lot actually has to go because there is a new build coming, and that'll be up on our YouTube show there, and we're working there with McCormick's 4x4. Bodie and his team will be doing an unbelievable build on this truck. But for now, let's talk about what we've got for sale here. On this side, the driver's side, it is painted completely white, which is a good point. Bodie and McCormick's have said if that's not the colour you want and you want it to colour match whatever cab you're putting it on, then we can talk about doing a bit of a mates race through McCormick's to get this painted to your spec as well. Down here, these are all lockable, these doors. As I said, Deluxe Canopy. There is also a clip-on aluminium table here that has a sink. I'll overlay some pictures now. Up in here you can see at the open side, beautiful welding work that you'd expect from NORWELD, dustproof, waterproof, loads of power solutions on each side and each corner of this particular canopy. The REDARC full wiring system, including the 2000 watt inverter on this side, the Manager 30 system on the other side, battery charger. I'll get around to that in a second. In behind here, look, I'm even throwing in the ratchet to undo it, but this just folds down. There is 200 amp hours of lithium in behind here. Beautiful lighting system throughout. What I love about this is that there's the lighting here, so that even at night when you're working here and you're getting into your stuff at camp, you're not going to have that shadow, because there is also LED lighting strip up here as well. So thought out. Look, the Fisker axe wood splitter, I'm not going to take that off, that's going as well. What else in here? A couple of tie down points in there. The heavy trucking mat all the way throughout, and it has been made to fit, so I won't try and pull that out, but basically you get the idea. Boom. All through there, lockable, as I mentioned. There is also a 40 litre tank, that's the fill point just there underneath. You can also plug directly into power through there. Just coming back for a wider look. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. There's provision there for 2 spare tyres. I've just got the one on. It doesn't come with any tyres, guys. There is the 2-stage ladder, which I'll just drop down now. Boom. There we go. Perfect. Pretty good. Get up on here, give you an idea of what's up the top here. That's a heavy duty awning. That also is coming with this kit. The jerry can bolt-on holder, that's going. Jerry can isn't. Sure you got your own anyway. I'll just do one side up for now. There we go. Beautiful. The trundle door, which is actually beautiful, deep, long draw, complete with the actual Deluxe tray that does have sides, drop-down sides as well. I might not have mentioned, but this is a complete 4-point wind-off canopy. 1, 2, and then 2 on the other side. We'll push the trundle door back in. Excellent. You can see it's all beautifully finished. Look at that. It's even going to come clean, because I'm not cleaning it. Getting a professional, the wife, to clean it, which means it'll be done properly. More truck matting in there, which is great. How good is this? The 12-volt Travel Buddy oven. If you love your pies, you'll love this bit of kit. That pulls out. Look at that. It's never even been used. What's going on, Katie? Need more pies in our life. That's just a little sound bar speaker. It's plugging in through the USB. Some more 12 volt options there for power. This is great as well. I'll get Katie on that other side. This drawer here has a little drop down floor. I had my fishing gear just down in here in the back, and then a little bit of the cooking stuff and things for camp that you want to just take separate to the van, in our case, and we had it all in there. Just get Katie on the other side there, just to push that one in. That's it, boom. Probably my favourite feature on the underneath part of this drawer is again the full aluminium Norweld map of Australia. Where are we going next, Katie?
Love it.
That's so good, isn't it? Look at that. Push straight back in like that. There's another tray space up there. That's really good for your outdoor tables, chairs, things like that. There's some more of that amazing REDARC wiring package that's also included in this kit. More lighting on this side. Come back around, I didn't mention. There is also, whatever Siri, look at that, my watch talking to me. She never answers me when I need her to. The Night Hawk LED work lights. I've got them hooked up to the reverse lights at the moment. I'll just keep coming around, get a good idea. And then here, our favourite bit of kit is the MSA Drop Slide for your fridge. It is lockable. Look at that. I'll get Katie to press that for me. She'll demo it. Look at that. If you are a little bit vertically challenged, this is your answer. Guys, it doesn't come with the fridge. Yeah, what's in there?
Chocolate.
Beer and chocolate, hey? What a life. But it definitely does come with the drop-down slide. We'll get Katie to show you the reverse of that action. Boom. There we go. Isn't that... That's the best bit of kit we've got. We love it. Yeah. And we'll include our drop-down slide in our new build as well. But a bit of a surprise coming with that as well from MSA. So that is pretty well, I think, everything here. Yeah, the clip-on table you can have on either side. We had it on the other side because you can put the Weber on it and then put a little collapsible sink into it. But I think I have actually gone through and given you everything in detail. If you've got any questions or I've missed anything, just yell out, let me know. It's all got to go. Again, if you want a different colour, we can talk about that as well. Thanks for watching, and hope to talk to the new owner of this beautiful kit soon. See ya.